this presentation, really, I think the first thing I want to do is get into some digital adoption worst practices, where I typically talk about best practices because I tend to see these a lot. I thought it might be fun to look at what we're seeing a lot in the industry that people shouldn't really be doing. And the first one, and I think this is probably the most common, is a lot of FIs put 100% of their organizational investment into the build of the technology itself. And I'm not at all saying that's not important. The user experience and the interface and all the bits of the tech that make it great and easy to use are important. But there's a lot of other stuff that you need to do as well. And when the focus is exclusively on the tech, you're not going to see the type of pickup numbers that you actually want in terms of customers really genuinely using it. The second mistake that we see is FIs not investing in support tools. So kind of leaving their frontline in the wilderness with no tools to support them for this new tech as it comes in. Something we see a lot of the time is outreach to customers, the cornerstone of it being product awareness. Now, not to say product awareness isn't important, but broad-based national or statewide media campaigns about your FI's mobile remote deposit capture really isn't the most effective use of funds. What we've really found is the most effective and efficient way to get digital adoption is focusing your customer outreach on your existing customers and showing them how to use the tech rather than awareness campaigns. And the last one, and I think this is probably the biggest problem, is assuming employees are going to buy into the tech, use it, and recommend it just because the tech is amazing and great. That's really kind of a rough assumption, the build it and they will come theory. It just doesn't work. So these are really what we see a lot in the industry of how not to approach digital adoption.